Hello, Blue Jay families. Miss Townley here with a couple of tips on arrival and dismissal so we can keep all of our Blue Jays safe. The majority of our students here at Willow Oak School are bus riders. The bus riders are supervised by adults on the bus ramp in both the morning and the afternoon. Our morning bus riders begin arriving here at campus around 7:30 a.m. and our afternoon dismissal of bus riders occurs in two waves. The first wave of buses is released at the 3 o'clock bell, and the second wave is released around 3:15 or as quickly as possible that we can safely release that second group of buses. We are very fortunate at Willow Oak School that we have a large preschool program, and so our preschool students are dropped off and picked up in the front of the school so that we can keep them safe, keep our youngest Blue Jays safe. You can help us with this process, preschool parents, by having your car tag clearly displayed, and your teacher will communicate drop-off and pickup time so that we can kind of stagger your arrival and dismissal in accordance with our kindergarten through fifth grade car riders. And our kindergarten through fifth grade car riders are dropped off along the south end of campus. Please look for the number poles as you pull up so that we can quickly load or unload your car to make this process go a little bit faster. In the morning, students are supervised at the car rider ramp from 7:30 until 8. If you arrive at school after 8 a.m., you will need to pull around to the front and sign your child into the office. In the afternoon, students are ready for pickup between 3 and 3:30. Again, you can make sure your car tag is clearly displayed and pull forward, and we will get this process moving. We know we have quite a few more car riders at the beginning of the year, but typically we are finished with this process between 3:20 and 3:25 once things settle down. You can help us with that process by following our car rider traffic patterns. When you first come off Bailey Road, you can feel free to double stack as you see here in the first picture, and then we'll merge into one lane at the loop as you begin to turn back towards the school. And if you would please take turns with that process so that we can move the line along. If your child is a walker, our walker gate is supervised in the morning from 7:30 a.m. until 7:50. and in the afternoon from 3 to 3:15. Walking to school safely is also very important to us, and so we have staff that are supervising both the Bailey Road crossing as well as the bus loop crossing area from 7:30 a.m. to 7:50 a.m., and then in the afternoon from 3 to 3:15. We're also anxiously waiting. The Board of County Commissioners are doing a study to hopefully add some additional safety precautions very, very soon. I think that's all we have for a few tips to parents to help make this process run a little more smoothly. We appreciate all that you are doing as well to help keep our Blue Jays safe. Thank you.